Hello, 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 hello. Hello, is anyone listening? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Listening, listening. Okay, Deep Sikha.
Yes,
Ready?
sir.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Arun, where is Arun?
Don't do, sir. I think that his connection is poor.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Um, hello, Arun.
Sir.
Are you hearing? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, can I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, is slide showing? Is showing? It's slides. Can you see my slides?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, Anna, we are meeting after a long time in an online class, Anna, that has been
Yes.
going from since March of this year, Anna. We are taking, Anna. We people are involved in online classes due to the lockdowns. So in previous semester we have already read, and now in this semester we will study the male reproductive systems. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Deepu, है ना?
Yes, sir.
You should to give indication that you are in the class, है ना? So how can I know are you people are listening or just in a standby mode? So I always want to students should active while class is going on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will study Hana, the male reproductive systems. Hana. In this semester, Hana, 604, you will study entire about the male reproductions. Hana. There are a lot of section, unit 1, unit 2, unit 7, Hana, like that. So in unit 1, you will study the structure and function of reproductive tract of male. Can you hear clearly to me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. So I want to know from both what about male reproductive systems? How in a one line, yeah, in a single sentence, Dr. Arun, I want to know what is male reproductive tract?
Male,
Right
male
about,
reproductive.
tell. Hmm.
सर सेमिनिफेरस टिब्यूल से लेकर के यूरेथ्रा तक सर.
सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल से लेकर के यूरेथ्रा तक.
यूरेथ्रा.
Okay. Which are the components are involved while you are studying since from semiferous tubule to urethra? The systematic manners you tell me.
सेमिनिफेरस टिब्यूल होता है सर, रेटी टेस्टिस होता है.
Okay.
ये भास डिफरेंशिया होता है.
Okay.
ये एपिडिडाइमिस होता है, भास डिफरेंस होता है, यूरेथ्रा होता है और उसके बीच में सर सेमिनल वेसिकल होता है, कॉपर ग्लैंड होता है और बार्बो यूरेथ्रन ग्लैंड होता है.
एक चीज आपने भूल गया है, रेटेटेस्टिस का नाम बताया है आपने?
यस सर,
रेटेटेस्टिस।
यस सर, सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल से भाषा इंफ्लुएंसिया को जोड़ता है।
ओके, राइट राइट। हाँ, तो व्हाट आर दी एक्सेसरी सेक्स ग्लैंड्स ऑफ दिस मेल बुल?
सेमिनल वेसिकल, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड और बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड सर।
ओके ओके। और बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड इज आल्सो नोन एज व्हिच ग्लैंड्स?
कॉपर्स ग्लैंड सर।
Okay, okay, okay. Now, okay, it's fine. It's fine. So today we will study the structure and function of reproductive tracts. है ना? So these are the basic component of the male reproductive systems are spermatic cords, scrotum, testis, ductus systems, accessory sex gland, penis and muscle for protrusion and erection of ejaculations. So we have, or the male people are having testes. Some of the animals are having testes in their abdomens, है ना? But many of the animals are having their testes outside the abdomens. Clear?
यस सर।
So why the testes have been outside the body? Because in a many of the
टेम्परेचर डाउन रखने के, टेम्परेचर कम रखने के लिए, बॉडी टेम्परेचर से
how many temperature is less than the body temperature of the scrotums? How many temperature? What is the
2 डिग्री
temperature?
सेल्सियस, 2 to 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस।
Right, right, right. Very good. So the many of the organelles which is present in the testis and around structure to maintain the temperature so that sperm production can be go on, है ना? So many of the tissues or the systems are involved for lowering the temperature of the testis or the scrotum, है ना? So उसमें से अब कौन कौन से चीजें इन्वॉल्व हैं? The structures which are involved in lowering of the temperature of the testis. First of all,
क्रीमेस्टर मसल्स और पेम्पलीफॉर्म प्लेक्सस।
वाह वाह वाह, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। तो स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड्स में क्या है? नर्व भी रहता है, आर्टरी भी रहता है ना? ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन, उसमें ब्लड कैरी आउट होता है, वेन्यूज होता है, वेसल्स के द्वारा जाता है। हाँ डॉक्टर साहब, हेलो। हाँ हाँ, अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब, ऑनगोइंग। कुछ अर्जेंट है क्या? उसी क्लास संबंध में क्या? ओके 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 ओके। हाँ डॉक्टर अरुण।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो इस तरह से हम बताना चाह रहे हैं कि आप लोग डिटेल स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड्स किताब में पढ़िए। स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स, है ना? स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड्स में क्या क्या होता है? दीपशिखा, कैन यू टेल मी
Yes, sir.
what are the organelles, what are the components of spermatic cords? I mean to say, what are the organ involved in the component of the spermatic cords? What are the things which are in cross the spermatic cords? Spermatic cords. Suppose you have been given to write a short notes on spermatic cords. So, Hannah,
Yes.
what are the point will you write?
So spermatic cord में सर इसमें क्या लिखेंगे सर? स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड में सर सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स लिखेंगे सर।
सर में स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड में सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स होता है क्या अरुण?
नो सर,
अरुण इज राइट, अरुण इज राइट।
उसमें सर होता है भास्ट डिफरेंस होता है, स्पर्मेटिक आर्टरी होता है और टेस्टिकुलर आर्टरी और टेस्टिकुलर वेन होता है सर।
राइट राइट राइट। एक और स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसको कॉम्प्लेक्सेस कहते हैं, क्या नाम है उसका?
पेम्पनीफॉर्म कॉम्प्लेक्स।
हाँ, वेरी राइट वेरी राइट वेरी राइट। ओके ओके। So this pampiniform plexus is also involved in keep lowering of the temperature of the testis or the scrotums, right? Pampiniform
sir.
plexus is also involved because what is pampiniform plexus? Having a complex of artery and venues. Hana, from one way the blood is going, from other way blood is coming. While coming and going, it keep lower the temperature of the scrotums or the testis,
Yes.
because the artery which is carrying the blood may be cool or warm. Venule also, venous vein, it also may carry or the coming or going. Both are occurring at the same simultaneously. Keep the temperature of the scrotums lowering. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी हम बताएंगे, डिटेल बताएंगे आपको. सो स्क्रोटम्स क्या होता है? स्क्रोटम में स्वेटिंग ग्लैंड्स होता है. Sweating glands with sweat to keep the temperature of the scrotum of the testis to lower the temperature, है ना? तो इस तरह से हमारे पास जो सिस्टम है, बेसिक कंपोनेंट ऑफ मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम्स आर स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड, स्क्रोटम, टेस्टिस, डक्टस सिस्टम, एक्सेसरी सेक्स ग्लैंड, है ना? These are the components of reproductive systems. So can you see the slides? You can
Yes,
zoom.
sir.
You can zoom it. Okay, sorry. This slide showing male reproduction as a manufacturing complex. I mean to say the testis are the complexes is the main factory. That product is, what is the product of the testis? Sperm, fertile sperm, and the hormones are the factory products, है ना? हर एक एनिमल में जो है, जो भी एनिमल है, whatever the animals, and per second, every second the animals are manufacturing their sperms. Every second they are manufacturing. Every second they are, on an average, they are manufacturing 2 lakhs sperm per second. Follow my point, what I am telling? 2 lakhs sperm per second. On an average, every species of male is producing 2 lakhs sperm per second. Matlab, I mean to say, in a the whole thing is that in a conclusion, I can tell you the male of every species, by and large, 8 to 25 billion of sperms are producing daily, per day, on an average. So in these slides, you can see high-speed manufacturing occurring. 1 to 25 billion spermatozoa per day, and 35,000 per second, 2 lakhs sperm per second, and plants must be air conditions. Finishing shops, 8 to 20 billion spermatozoa, and membrane, nuclear flagella, stability, motility, cytoplasmic droplets, sperm components, warehouse. The warehouse, the structures involved in preparing of the spermatozoa, like seminiferous tubules. So storage is this much. Spermatozoa for 5 to 10 ejaculations, है ना? Storage इतना, warehouse में कितना storage रहता है? It's written here. What are the numbers? Smooth muscles contraction upon sexual stimulations, final alteration and packaging, while excessive sex gland product are going to be mixed, and that is known as seminal plasma. Seminal plasma, what is seminal plasma? Seminal plasma is nothing but the mixture of the accessory gland. The product which is coming from accessory glands is mixed while semen is ejaculating or emission. This is known as the seminal plasma. Delivery systems, delivery systems are, what are the delivery systems? Erection, protrusion, emission, and ejaculations are the delivery systems. So entire process from 1 to 5 are involved in a process for final production of spermatozoa. So what are the involvement? The organs are excessive sex glands, है ना? This is the seminal vesicles, this is the bladders, है ना? This is the urethra, है ना? Urethra is going, this is penis, है ना? Epididymis. अच्छा, I want to know what is epididymis. Can you tell me epididymis? What is epididymis? What is epididymis?
एपिडिडाइमिस सर एक डक्ट होता है जहाँ सीमेन कुछ टाइम के लिए स्टोर होता है और वहाँ मैच्योरिंग प्रोसेस होता है.
Epididymis having three parts.
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, while you have been asked
Yep.
about the epididymis, you just in one line say epididymis is having three parts: head, body, and tail. Different functions of these parts are having. Head, what is the function of the head? Head is for the purpose of the absorption of the fluids. और body का क्या काम है? Finally, preparation of spermatozoa to make them motiles. And the function of the tail is, what is the function of the tail of epididymis? Just for the storage of the spermatozoa, and the sperms are fertile. While when you will take the samples of the spermatozoa, I am taking class. While when you are taking sample of the spermatozoa from the body of the epididymis, that spermatozoa is not fertile, may not be motiles. But when you will take the sample of the spermatozoa from the tail of the epididymis, that spermatozoa is able to fertilize, and the tails of epididymis means for storage of the spermatozoa, functional spermatozoa. Follow my point? What I am telling, what I want to make
Yes,
you
sir.
understand, है ना? So there are three parts of the epididymis. Total, जैसे I want to make you understand that epididymal transmission of spermatozoa. When you will be asked how many days sperms spend their life in epididymis, what you will tell? How many days? How many days of sperms? How many days of sperm spend their life in epididymis? Once, suppose you have been asked in a exam. Deep Sikha,
Yes, sir.
so what is your answer? Suppose you have been asked in an exam, right?
Yes, sir.
As you know, epididymis is having the three parts, long parts, है ना? It is
Yes.
how many longs? How many size of the sperm? What is the size of the epididymis? In meters, say in meters or in a feet.
स्पीसीज पे से डिपेंड करता है, स्पीसीज टू
Okay,
स्पीसीज
okay. Okay, I agree, है ना? So my
Yes,
question
sir.
was, once in exam you have been asked what is the epididymal transmission, how many days the sperm
So
spend?
3 to 4 days, sir.
No, in a bull
Yes, sir.
having their different periods. In case of bull, it is 11 days. 10 to 11. You will study in while after class and go to books and study the epididymal transmission of the spermatozoa. Okay, you will find there.
Yes, sir.
So actually, I want to say you, it is not to examine at the moment, and I make you understand that the type of question, what type of question may be asked to you. It is not simple as you thinking that it's simple a male reproduction. I will tell just head, tail, body, and testis or spermatozoa soul. It's all. No, you go to deep. The questions which I have asked to you, you know what the level? Can you ever heard about this? My question, what the question I have asked to you? Have you heard or have you how that I have asked to you? Huh? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
think the question types. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, जैसे suppose when you are studying the male reproductive systems, you go through the how the sperm is prepared, sperm structure क्या होता है in early phase, spermatogenesis, है ना? So you
Yes,
have
sir.
been already studied in undergraduate times. Now you are postgraduates, so you should to know detail. You are not a undergraduate student, you are a postgraduate students. You should to know in a details. And
Yes, sir.
so the high speed manufacturing sperm. I mean to say these testes are the manufacturing complex. They are manufacturing sperm. And other things, what they are manufacturing besides sperm? What? Suppose you have been asked other functions of the testis besides the production of sperms. These are hormones. टेस्टिस से क्या
एंड्रोजन
Hormones.
फॉर्मेशन
Yes, sir.
कौन सा हार्मोन निकलता है टेस्टिस से? टेस्टोस्टेरोन. प्राइमरी
टेस्टोस्टेरोन
टेस्टोस्टेरोन कहां से निकलता है? टेस्टोस्टेरोन
Leydig cell, sir.
लेडिंग सेल से निकलता है.
Yes, sir.
लेडिंग सेल से निकलता है और कहां से निकलता है?
Or testes. Yes, yes, sir.
एक
दोनों एक ही है.
हाँ
Yes,
एक
sir.
केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है जिसको कहते हैं एरोमेटाइजेशन. ठीक है. While aromatizations, while the hormone going to aromatization, suppose it is absolutely right. When estrogen going to becoming aromatized, that estrogen will be converted into testosterone. समझे?
यस
एरोमेटाइजेशन में क्या होता है? पढ़ोगे इसको डिटेल, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो फाइनल अल्टरेशन एंड पैकेजिंग. हाँ 4 पॉइंट है. फाइनल अल्टरेशन एंड पैकेजिंग क्या होता है? अल्टरेशन और पैकेजिंग किसको कब करते हैं? when you are going to some shops, and what will be the final alteration and packaging? What do you mean by final alteration and packaging? देखिए कभी हम सामान लेते हैं दुकान में तो पैकेजिंग करता है. पैकेजिंग कितना अच्छा से करता है. बर्थडे गिफ्ट देने जाते हो तो उसको अच्छा से पन्नी से रैप करता है ना? फीता बांधता है, लिखता है. दिस इज फाइनल अल्टरेशन एंड पैकेजिंग. तो उसी प्रकार in the same way, similar way, when a sperm have been formed inside the testis and while coming from the urethra or during the ejaculations, the accessory glands which do the final alterations and packagings of the sperm. In which way? The way is that they make the sperms surface coatings. Protein-like structure may be coated over the sperms. This coated sperms, while capacitation, it is removed by the enzymes. So this coating of the surface proteins, where from that surface protein got from the ejaculation, the fluids which is coming from accessory glands like seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles is the only glands which contribute this semen. 50% of its contribution from the seminal vesicles. The fluid part of the seminal plasma, even seminal plasma, 50% part of the seminal plasma is coming from the seminal plasma, seminal vesicles. from seminal vesicles contribute 50% of the liquid portion of the seminal plasma. This seminal plasma is having different types of fertility proteins. That fertility protein is coated over the spermatozoa to protect the sperms. Did you get what? Did you
Yes, sir.
understand? Do you follow? Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
दीपशिखा. हाँ,
Yes,
तो
sir.
उसी प्रकार से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जो है ना बोवाइनल सेमिनल प्रोटीन्स कहते हैं बीएसपी. क्या कहते हैं? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
BSP protein, bovinal seminal proteins, which is coming from seminal plasma. Seminal plasma, which is coming from seminal vesicles. Sorry, seminal vesicles. How many type of bovinal seminal protein coming from the seminal vesicles? There are numbers of seminal vesicles proteins. These proteins are known as BSP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to our next slides. This is the spermatic cords. This is the spermatic cord. You see here, this is cremaster's muscles. This muscles is also involved in what? Lowering the temperature of the testis, cremaster muscles. This is vaginal cavity, veins of the pampiniform plexus. अभी हम बताएं, few minutes before I have asked to you, we have discussed about the pampiniform plexus. This is the pampiniform plexus. The pampiniform plexus structure is having different. The structure is looking at present. It is different somewhat. So this is the just a small unit of this pampiniform plexus. See here, this is artery, this is vein, and this both simultaneously going inside this spermatic cords. है ना? Artery का क्या काम करता है? Artery carry the blood from the heart, and vein is returning the blood. While coming and going, it make the sperm or the testis, make the the sperm of temperature of the testis lower from the body. समझ में आ रहा है हम जो कह रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So here is the, see the structure, है ना? This is the CN, cremaster muscles. Can you see the clear picture of the cremaster muscles? This is the cremaster muscles. Ductus deferens, DD. This is DD,
Yes, sir.
ductus deferens. This is vas deferens. This is also known as what? Vas deferens. DD is also known as vas deferens. फिर head of epididymis. This is the head of epididymis. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. This is pampiniform plexus. This is a complex of the artery and veins. I will show you the pictures, which is will be a pampiniform plexus. I will show you in coming class or next class. I show you, है ना? So this is the tail of epididymis. T, the tail. This is the head, है ना? You see here. This is the head. Head is coming over the tail. Tail coming
Yes, sir.
by the body. This is also known as a corpus. Corpus cauda, head caput. Head is known as caput, body is known as corpus, and tail is known as cauda.
Cauda.
Cauda
Yes,
epididymis, है ना? This is, you
Yes,
see the
sir.
pampiniform plexus is completely over the testis, है ना? This is cone-like
Yes, sir.
structures. This is testis. T is for testis. So you see the pampiniform is cover over the testis. Not like that, it's cover over the triangular shape. So this is a cross section of the spermatic cords. You see the visual vaginal tunics, है ना? So this ductus deferens, testicular artery and cremaster's muscles, है ना? or nerves also going through this spermatic cords. These are the cells. This is the outer covering. The line across the excised spermatic cords indicate the approximate plane of the cross-sectional systematic. Arrow indicate the direction of fluid flow. देखो यहाँ पे एरो क्या कर रहा है, फ्लूइड फ्लूइड का डायरेक्शन बता रहा है. Here से testicular artery is going. ठीक है. You see here difference between red and blue. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So blood is coming through the artery, but while seeing through the vein, it's coming out. है ना? So while
Yes, sir.
going and coming, make the temperature of testis lower than the body temperatures. Follow my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So bull respiratory tract में क्या क्या रहता है? You see here the image. This is the rectum. This is the corpus glands. This is also known as a watch like. Watch क्या होता है? हाथ के आगे watch लगा रहता है. Watch पहनती हो ना हाथ में?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, this is the bulbourethral gland, also known as a corpus glands. है ना? When semen is ejaculating, coming through the urethra, there is a last gland is known as the bulbourethral glands. All the gland will backside. जैसे मान लिया जाए, this is vesicular glands. This is ampulla. And what is ampulla? Ampulla is not a but a dilatation part, dilated part of the vas deferens. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
disseminated prostates, retractor penis muscles. देखो ये muscles जो है retractor penis muscles है. यही muscles जो है penis का erection और ये इस तरह से करता है. Retractor penis muscles. When you will study the books, any male reproductive system, any male reproductions related books, you will study the retractor penis muscles. What is the function? This is the sigmoid flexus. Some of these species are having maybe absent of sigmoid flexus. Some species are having presence of a sigmoid flexus. Presquatral sigmoid flexus is found in which species? When sometime maybe asked in a questions, this species tell in which prequatal sigmoid flexus is found. So this is the swine species. So here you see the head of epidermis, this is tail of epidermis, gubernaculums. What is gubernaculums? Gubernaculums is the organs which draw the penis, draw the testis from abdomen to the scrotums by the glass and funnel methods. Glass and funnel method समझती हो? Flask method, glass and flask methods. Hello.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा बुक पढ़ती हो? Which books do you use? Do you read?
Sir, Saxena का.
Saxena की book
Veterinary
पढ़ते हो?
and Yes,
You
sir.
study your book, है ना? From the many of the books, है ना? दीप कुमार also
Yes,
book
sir.
है, और आर्थर की बुक है, और हाफिज की बुक है. Saxena books also one of the good books. So
Yes, sir.
तो ampulla है. When bull is not giving, when sometime you will find bull is not ready to give semen or not ready to ejaculate, then you will go which methods? The massage methods of semen collection. Massage methods. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Massage methods. जानती हो massage methods क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen?
सब पढ़े हैं सर, देखे नहीं है मैं.
Okay. Dr. Azad, this time, or he has performed the massage methods for semen collections. Anna, this time
Yes.
Azad is very much engaged in semen collection. Anna, you can ask whatever the doubt, you can also ask to him. Anna, so
Yes, sir.
he is using these stamps while getting semen by the massage method. They are just massaging What organ is going to be massaged? Which organ? Seminal
Sir,
vesicles.
seminal vesicle. Yes,
Seminal
sir, seminal vesicle.
और ये एम्पुला.
Yes,
हेलो,
sir.
एम्पुला.
Yes.
एम्पुला
Yes,
का
sir.
मसाज करने से क्या होगा? निकलेगा. सेमिनल वेसिकल नहीं, एम्पुला का मसाज. Many of the species, है ना, their ampulla is far from your touch, far from your hand while grasping. In bull, you can, an experienced person can massage the ampulla very successfully and can get ejaculate or semen. So this is the structure of the bull reproductive tract. When you will be asked to write about the bull reproductive tract, you will write like that. सबसे पहले, very first of all, you will write what? Reproductive tract में क्या होता है? पहले टेस्टिस लिखोगी. टेस्टिस के अंदर क्या रहता है? सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स. सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स में क्या रहता है? सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स में क्या रहता है?
स्पर्मेटोजोआ रहता है सर.
स्पर्मेटोजोआ रहता है. स्पर्मेटोजोआ कहाँ रहता है?
सर सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स में उससे होता है सर.
सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स में
होता है.
where the sperms are formed, you told seminiferous tubules. लेकिन which of the parts of seminiferous tubules? Seminiferous tubules are having a cells known as what cells?
Germ cells, sir.
Huh?
Germ cells.
Germ
cells. Yes,
germ cells. Germinal epithelial cells. This is a kind of epithelial cells. This epithelial cells found almost in a tubular part of the organs. This is known as germinal epithelial cells. This is not the germ cells.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Germ cells
Yes,
are
sir.
different. Germ cells. The germ cells is not as something different from these germinal epitheliums. Germinal germ cells is a kind which form the three germ layers: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderms. You know,
Yes, sir.
this is somewhat different from these germs epithelial cells. So this is the testis. When you will ask the reproductor, you will first write the testis. Hana, this is the head.
Yes, sir.
This is the tail. This is the body, and this is inside the testis. Hana, there is a retetestis. Then basa aplysia, and basa aplysia is connected with the what? Head of the testis. And the head of the testis connected with the body of the testis, and body of the testis connected with the tail of the testis, and tail of the testis is coming with the next form the vas deferens. And a terminal parts of the vas deferens is known as what? What is known as terminal part of vas deferens? Ampulla. Ampulla is connected to the what? Urethra. In urethra there is ejaculates. The sperms are incorporated into urethra, and at the same time there is one pair of a seminal vesicles and a single prostate glands. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you come to this. You see these structures. You may not be understand the previous slides, but you can see these structures. This is urinary bladders. Hana? This is the.
Yes, sir.
This is what? Vesicular glands. This is pair 1 and 2nd. First, second. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And this is ampulla. This is vas deferens. The terminal part. This is the ampulla. this swelling part. This is
Yes, sir.
urinary bladder connected with urethra. So this ampulla sperm introduced into the urethra. This is the vesicular glands, है ना? And
Yes, sir.
this is the Copper's gland, the terminal part. This is the Copper glands,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Retractor penis muscles. See here. And this is the sigmoid flexors. This is cremaster's muscles.
Yes, sir.
And what is this? Spermatic cords. Entire this is spermatic cords. उसी के अंदर वाला हम बता रहे थे. This is glans
sir.
penis. This is cremaster muscles. You
Yes,
see
sir.
the cremaster muscles. This is open
Yes, sir.
spermatic cords. This is
Yes, sir.
closed. Both are the
sir.
testicles here.
Yes, sir.
है ना? This is the entire
Yes, sir.
reproductive tract of the bull. है ना? A is for ampulla, BP for body of prostates. This is prostate.
Yes, sir.
What is UM? Urethral muscles.
Urethral
Urethral muscles.